Security in GRC teams, managing risk, and maintaining compliance is a continuous, complex process. Without the right tools, tracking vulnerabilities, managing frameworks, and ensuring audit readiness can become overwhelming. That's where Vanta comes in. Vanta is a leading trust management platform that automates security monitoring, simplifies risk assessments, and helps organizations maintain compliance with standards like SOC 2, ISO 27001, HIPAA, and more. Whether you're a startup preparing for your first audit or a mature company managing multiple frameworks, Banta streamlines the entire process. In this video, we'll walk you through Banta's core features and show how it can support your risk management and compliance strategy in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated risk assessment. Vanta offers a built-in risk register that helps you identify, evaluate, and document risks across your organization. You can categorize risks by severity, assign ownership, and document mitigating controls. The system automatically updates risk scores based on evidence and monitoring, helping you maintain real-time awareness of your risk posture. This automation saves time on manual documentation, ensures consistency in risk assessments, and provides auditors with a clear, traceable view of your risk landscape. Another key feature is the continuous security monitoring. With over 300 integrations, Vanta connects to your cloud infrastructure, identity providers, endpoint tools, and more to monitor your systems continuously. It flags security misconfigurations and policy violations in real time. The dashboard gives you a complete view of your security posture across devices, users, and cloud environments. You can identify issues before they become vulnerabilities and stay audit ready at all times. Continuous monitoring reduces the likelihood of compliance gaps and enhances trust with stakeholders. Another key feature is the compliance framework management. Vanta helps you manage multiple compliance frameworks in one place. Whether you're working toward SOC 2, ISO 27001, or GDPR, Vanta breaks each framework into trackable tasks and automatically maps controls to evidence. You can assign owners, track progress, and view your readiness in real time. This centralized approach reduces duplicate work, streamlines team collaboration, and ensures your compliance process remains structured and efficient. Another key feature is the policy and document management. Vanta provides editable policy templates tailored to each compliance framework. You can customize, publish, and track employee acknowledgement all within the platform. The system also stores and organizes all evidence and documents required for audits. Having all your policies and documentation centralized means easier audits and faster onboarding of new frameworks. It also ensures that your team is aligned on processes and expectations. Another key feature is the audit collaboration and readiness tools. Vanta includes dedicated auditor dashboards that streamline audit prep and communication. You can share evidence directly, track auditor requests, and minimize back and forth. The platform also provides audit timeline tracking, task assignments, and notifications for due items. This dramatically simplifies audit preparation and reduces the time and cost involved. It keeps both your team and auditors aligned, increasing the chance of a smooth and successful audit income. So, why is Vanta a great choice? Vanta combines automation, visibility, and collaboration in a single platform tailored to security and compliance teams. Instead of managing risk and compliance through spreadsheets or disconnected tools, Vanta brings everything together in a unified dashboard. It's easy to use, integrates with the tools you already have, and scales as your company grows. Vanta also keeps pace with evolving regulations and standards, offering new templates, features, and integrations to ensure long term value. It empowers your team to be proactive rather than reactive, turning compliance from a burden into a strategic advantage. For GRC leaders aiming to streamline operations and improve audit outcomes, Vanta is one of the most comprehensive and time saving tools available today. So basically, Vanta is a powerful platform for managing risk, automating compliance, and maintaining a strong security posture. With tools for continuous monitoring, audit preparation, framework management, and real time insights, it helps security and GRC teams stay organized, efficient, and always ready for the next step. So, if your organization is serious about reducing risk and scaling trust, Vanta is a smart investment in. So, start using Vanta today to take control of your risk management and compliance programs with confidence. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.